What's up, listen? One of my favorite brands, Xiaomi, recently launched a flagship killer smartphone on their flagship level, which is Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This smartphone has attractive design, super level camera setup, as well as one of the powerful gaming SoC. In this video, I will give you an overview of this smartphone. After watching the video, you will be able to take a decision this smartphone is value for money or not. So without wasting any more time, let's get started the video. At first, if I want to talk about the design of this smartphone, then I have nothing to say. You can see the design of this smartphone is so much remarkable. At the rear panel of this smartphone has quad camera setup, as well as the front panel of this smartphone has a single functional cutout camera setup. The most remarkable thing is, this smartphone has IP68 water and dust resistant. That means you can put this smartphone under 1.5 meter water for 30 minutes. The weight of this smartphone is 226 grams. You can purchase this smartphone by several colors, such as black, white, green and silver. I think there isn't anybody who can complain about the design of this smartphone, because the design of this smartphone is so much remarkable. Then secondly, if I want to talk about the display of this smartphone has 6.73 inches LTPO AMOLED panel display, which display has Full HD plus resolution. Not only that, but also this display has 3200 nits peak brightness. For this higher peak brightness, whenever you will try to use this smartphone under sunlight, that time you will not face any kind of problem for the brightness. As a production, this display has Xiaomi Cell Glass 2.0. So the display of this smartphone was decent to me. Thirdly, if I would like to talk about the camera sector of this smartphone, then this smartphone has unbelievable changes in their camera sector, which is this smartphone has quad camera setup that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Their first sensor is 50 megapixel. Second one is 50 megapixel telephoto, third one is 200 megapixel periscope telephoto, and the last one is 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor. By this biggest camera setup, you can make a video with 8K 30 fps resolution, as well as 4K 3060 and 120 fps resolution. As well as the selfie sensor of this smartphone has 32 megapixel. By the selfie camera, you can make a video with 4K 30 fps resolution. But in this budget segment, this smartphone should have to support 4K and 60 fps for their selfie sensor. Right now, if I would like to talk about the performance of this smartphone, then this smartphone has Origin OS 2 based on Android 15. As I said, this smartphone used Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is one of the powerful gaming SoC at this moment. You can purchase this smartphone from 12GB RAM to 56GB internal storage, as well as 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. As a storage type, this smartphone has UFS 4.1. You can use here only 2 SIM cards, but you cannot use any kind of micro SD slot. Right now, if I would like to talk about the last part of this smartphone, which is battery. This smartphone has 5410 mAh biggest battery for the global variant, as well as for the Chinese variant, this smartphone has 6000 mAh battery. If you would like to charge the battery, then this company will provide you 90-watt fast charger. So in this budget segment, if you want to purchase a smartphone which can give you attractive level design, super level camera setup, as well as one of the powerful gaming SoC, then you can pick this smartphone. Yeah, that was our today's video. If you enjoyed this, then like the video and hit the subscribe button. See you with a brand new video.